Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the OnePlus Watch 2. This smartwatch has been making waves with its promise of exceptional battery life and robust features on Google's Wear OS platform. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with design, the OnePlus Watch 2 presents itself as a sturdy, premium device. It's crafted from stainless steel with a sapphire crystal screen, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. However, it's worth noting that this watch leans towards the larger side, which might not suit smaller wrists. The design is functional with a circular face and thoughtful button placement, though I wish the rotating crown had more functionality. Moving on to the display, we have a vibrant 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with a high resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. It's bright and clear, even outdoors, though the bezels are a bit thick. The OnePlus Watch 2 runs on Wear OS, providing access to a wide array of apps via the Google Play Store. This versatility means you can customize your experience extensively, from fitness tracking to controlling smart home devices. Performance-wise, the watch impresses with its dual-processor setup. It efficiently manages tasks with a Snapdragon W5 for smart features and a low-power chip for basic functions, resulting in up to 100 hours of battery life on a single charge in optimal conditions. Real-world usage shows it can comfortably last several days with moderate use, which is a significant advantage over many competitors in the Wear OS category. For fitness enthusiasts, the OnePlus Watch 2 supports over 100 exercise modes and integrates well with apps like Strava for detailed workout tracking. It monitors heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and even includes SpO2 monitoring. The data accuracy aligns well with other top-tier smartwatches, making it a reliable companion for health-conscious users. Connectivity-wise, Bluetooth 5.0 ensures stable pairing with your smartphone, delivering notifications promptly. It's also water-resistant up to 5 atm, suitable for swimming and other water activities. The watch includes 32 GB of onboard storage, allowing for offline music streaming and app installations, further enhancing its utility. To summarize, the OnePlus Watch 2 stands out for its exceptional battery life, solid build quality, and extensive feature set on Wear OS. It's a great option if you're looking for a smartwatch that balances performance and endurance. However, its large size and hefty weight may not appeal to everyone, especially those with smaller wrists. Wrapping up, the OnePlus Watch 2 delivers where it matters most: longevity and functionality. If you prioritize battery life without sacrificing smartwatch features, this could be an excellent choice for you. Just keep in mind the size considerations. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.